Are your pear tree branches bending or even breaking because of the weight of all that fruit? Well, that's a common issue. Heavy pears can snap limbs if trees aren't pruned or supported properly. But today we are going to propagate by slitting a branch and placing it in water. And in a few weeks, you could have a brand new pear tree growing from that limb. I'm going to cut the selected branch. Next, I have a Ziploc bag, which I've labeled August 31st. I'm going to fill it with water. And I'm going to secure it tightly with a zip tie. Remove the fruit and most leaves from the cutling to help it focus its energy on growing roots faster. For extra added security, I'm just going to secure it tightly with a zip tie to a more stronger branch.